This is Learning Outside the Classroom with your host, Miss Jen. That's me. Today we are going to be dyeing Easter eggs. Enjoy. Let's start off with our equipment. We are going to be using vinegar and the Paz kit, and you need cups. We are also going to be trying our marble Paz. You have to add oil in it to create the neat effect. So first, we're going to gather up all of our ingredients and our materials. We are going to cut open the little bag of the Paz tablets, and we are going to place them in each cup. After, we are going to be adding 1 tablespoon of vinegar into each cup and watch it fizz. As it fizzes, you'll notice that the color gets deeper and deeper. After all the fizzing stops, you can add water. The water will create that nice vivid color that you would need for your eggs. Then what we will do is we will add the eggs in to make the cool colors. Remember, our marble ones require oil to create that cool marbled look. We only used 3 of our tablets with the oil. It didn't work so well. So after we dyed all of the rest of our eggs and placed them out to look really pretty. We did lots of different color combinations and lots of different fun things. This is a yearly tradition I do with my mom. We do the same thing every year. It's so much fun. Thank you for tuning in and watching my little video on dyeing Easter eggs. I wonder what you have done this year for your Easter celebrations. Please share them with us. Miss you guys. Hope you're doing well.